Hey guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about the iPhone SE running iOS 13.4 because Apple lately has been doing a lot of good things with older devices. I like what they're doing. Now, if you remember the Apple from the past, a lot of the new features when a new software released were held back. But with iOS 13 and iOS 12, Apple has really focused on older devices, especially the iPhone SE, to bring as many features and changes as they do on newer devices, which is a great thing. If you remember Apple from the past, there wasn't that many features that were brought over to older devices. It was only new devices. In this case, 13.4 has been performing very well. Now, if we go to the Memoji sticker, something that's new here on iOS 13.4, we see that all the new Memojis are currently available on the iPhone SE. Now, the iCloud folder sharing feature is also available here as well. So Apple is not holding back on features on the older devices just because they're a little older. As a matter of fact, Apple is also supporting very old devices with iOS 12 as well, including software updates for those devices as well. So if you own an iPhone 6, you currently have an update for iOS 12, 12.4.5, and Apple will continue to support those devices as well. So Apple is currently doing something very, very good. Now, I've been using the iPhone SE over the past 48 hours and I've been testing it around the house, playing music, AirDrop, AirPlay, just playing around with the device. I have to say battery performance is not as good as it is with iOS 13.3 or 13.3.1, but it is okay. It is very, very good for what it is at the moment. I can't really judge iOS 13.4 because it is a beta, but the battery performance has been okay so far. Now, in regards to any other features and problems with the software, I've encountered minor issues downloading apps from the App Store, but this doesn't have to do with this device itself. I've also encountered these issues on newer devices on 13.4. So if you did encounter some of these issues, let me know in the comments down below. In regards to long pressing here with the haptic touch, the iPhone SE is responding very well. Control center, the app switcher, everything else is working as it is intended on the latest iOS 13.4 for the iPhone SE. Again, I'm very, very surprised how Apple has improved older devices and has become very, very nice to use on the latest OS with some of the latest feature. I just wanted to talk about this device because Apple continues to surprise me with the performance of older devices. So if you have an iPhone SE, continue to hold on to it. We don't know yet if Apple will continue to support the iPhone SE, iPhone 6s, and 6s Plus with iOS 14, but they're definitely polishing it up for these devices to have a better future and performance overall. So thank you for watching this quick video today. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.